First, you have to download and install the latest AMD drivers. After that, download MSI Afterburner. Open MSI Afterburner, go to Settings, and check Disable ULPS. In AMD Radeon software, go to Graphics. Under Advanced, Texture Filtering Quality, set to Performance. Tessellation Mode, set to Overwrite Application Settings. Maximum Tessellation Level, set to Off. On the bottom, click on Reset Shader Cache. Go into the Display tab. Expand Overrides on the bottom right. Disabling HDCP support can sometimes stop performance issues and slightly increase FPS. The only downside is if you watch any watch streams like Netflix or Disney, you may have issues. If you do, just re-enable it. Next, go to Windows Power Options. Select High Performance and click on Change Plan Settings. Under PCI Express, select Link State Power Management. Set this to Off. For the final optimizations in this video, open the Registry Editor. The easiest way to go to the files which we are going to change is copy the reg keys from the description. Delete everything here and paste the reg key. Click on System Responsiveness. Set the value to 1. Next, go to Tasks, then click on Games. Click on SFIO Priority. Set the value to High. Scheduling Category, set value to High. And for the last, go to GPU Priority. Set the value to 8. If you want to boost even more performance, you can overclock the GPU to get the full potential of your graphics card. You can check the full tutorial right here.